What if I told you your turbo engine might be slowly dying, and it's your fault? Yep, nearly 30% of turbo engines fail in just a few years. Not because they're junk, but because of everyday habits that silently destroy them. But here's the good news. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 deadly turbo mistakes you might be making, and how to stop them cold. These simple tips could save you thousands in repairs, boost your engine's life, and give you that sweet feeling of beating the system. This is Auto Repair, where we help everyday drivers like you take control of your car's health and your wallet. Let's dive in. #1. Cold. Starts without a warm-up. You're late. It's freezing. You fire up your car and take off. Stop. Right there. That innocent rush might be frying your turbo. When oil is cold, it's thick. Too thick to properly lubricate a turbo spinning up to 200 RPM. That means metal grinding on metal. Overheating. And eventually, total failure. The sign: fix, let your car idle for just 5 minutes in the morning, that's it. A few calm moments that could save you thousands. #2. Using the wrong oil. Here's a myth. All engine oils are basically the same. Spoiler alert, they're not. Especially not for turbo engines. Turbochargers run hot. We're talking over 10 degree F. Cheap oil breaks down fast under that kind of heat, leaving behind sludge and starving your turbo of lubrication. Solution? Only use high-quality, fully synthetic oil made for turbocharged engines. Yes, it costs a few bucks more, but compared to a $3 turbo replacement, it's a no-brainer. #3. Skipping oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your turbo. Delay your changes, and that lifeblood turns toxic. Dirty oil gets thick, sludgy. It clogs vital passages and bakes carbon onto your turbo's delicate parts. Think of it like running a marathon with clogged arteries. Want to avoid that? Stick to your oil change schedule, usually every 500 to 50 miles for turbos, and always use the right synthetic oil. #4. Ignoring the air filter. Think your air filter doesn't matter? Think again. A clogged filter suffocates your engine, forcing the turbo to work harder and burn hotter. Even worse, if dirt makes it through, it can chew up your turbo's precision blades like sandpaper. Fix it. Check your air filter regularly and change it when it's dirty. It's one of the cheapest, easiest ways to protect your turbo. #5. Running cheap gas. Turbo engines are built for performance, and they need high-quality fuel to match. Using low-octane or poor-quality gas can cause engine knock, tiny explosions at the wrong time that damage pistons, valves, and yes, your turbo. Here's the bottom line. Taking care of your turbo isn't hard. It just takes knowledge and a little discipline. And now, you've got both. If you want your car to last longer, perform better, and save you thousands. This is how you do it. Small habits, big rewards. Want more DIY car wisdom that saves you money and stress? Tap that subscribe button and join our auto repair community. We've got your back, one repair at a time.